Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yeah, sorry I'm late, guys. Had some pressing matters to take care of this morning, so I had to start a little late. But we're here. We're here. Better late than never, right? Better late than never. How was everybody's weekend? Did you guys have a good weekend, or did y'all? Because I did. Had a very productive weekend. Very, very good weekend. Y'all had a good weekend or what? Let me hear some stories. Let me hear some funny stories before we get started. We always get started at 200. We're at 140 right now, so. That gold sell-off was wild on Friday. It sure was. Definitely was. That was a great way to end off the week. I ain't gonna lie. That was a very good way to end the week. So I'm pretty excited about that. Pretty excited. Considering the start of the week we had, that was, kind of bumpy. So it's pretty cool that we ended the week like that. Pretty cool. Would have been dope if we would have held this move to TP2, right? I only held the TP1 because it was Friday. I didn't want to push it, but look how far down it went. We caught 50 pips. It went all the way down to literally 200 pips. That is insane. That's insane. But a win is a win, right? We take what the market gives us. We happy. We come back and do it all again the next day. And real quick, guys, today we are clear. We are clear and good to go, baby. Empire State Manufacturing Index. All right, I'm gonna have to move this over because this is in my way. Empire State Index, no volatility. Let's see if that holds true. Let's see if that holds true. If we would have held, I would have passed my challenge, but all good, I have time. Yeah, it was. Was the gold sell off the strategy? Yeah, we went over that. It was from the strategy, guys. I missed out on these potential sells. I was wanting price to pull back into this area, but it hasn't pulled back there yet. So my way didn't work, but the strategy said to look for sells below this area, and we did. And people were like, who was it? I was in the chat talking about gold is oversold. It's about to buy. Close your sells, guys. Look for buys. Look for buys. And when gold started tumbling down into oblivion, those people were very quiet. They were very quiet, and that's okay, because we can't always be right. The problem is when people are wrong, they're sometimes loud about it when they're wrong. Instead of being humbled and just chilling, just focusing on their own analysis, they want to influence other people to make themselves look better. And I don't know why people do that, but hopefully those individuals, you know, they had egg on their face, and they had to realize that you're not always right. So unless you're psychic and you know exactly what the market is going to do, just sit back, chill, and watch. If you're right, then be right. If you're wrong, then be wrong. That's it. You know? So, but other than that, Friday was good. Thursday was good. Wednesday was good. It was good. So guys, I'm going to do, as usual, per usual, I'm going to stick with the strategy today. I'm going to do my markup on my other screen here. We are almost sold out, guys. We are almost sold out of our class for next week. We have 5 spots left. That's it. After that, I'm closing applications. Applications are going to be closed probably on Tuesday because the final confirmation emails go out on Wednesday. And then we're going to be hitting the class Saturday and Sunday. So I'm pretty excited about that. Those are the people that got in. They're going to be so blown away. Not only that, they're going to be making money right away. They're going to be hitting right away. So that's going to be very interesting. Very interesting. And very exciting to watch as well. You know, how you guys know how much I love seeing other people win. So seeing all those individuals make back their investment and then some while they've learned a new strategy that's going to help them be consistently profitable is going to be incredible. It really is. So I can't wait for that. I really can't. So those of you that got in, it's gonna be a movie. It's gonna be a movie. And if you want to apply for it, try to get in for the last 5 spots or one of the last 5 spots, the link to apply is in the description box of this video, as is on the link in my bio as well. So in one day, we almost sold out all of our seats in one day. So did we expect that to happen? No. But is it great? Yes, it is. Because all of those people that got chosen were pretty cool. One guy was all in my DMs, very upset about not being picked. But we're looking for specific people, guys. We want to give the right people the chance at this opportunity. We're not looking for just anybody. So if you fill out the application and you don't follow instructions, or your answers are all over the place, you're not going to get picked. It's just that simple. You know, that's all it is. But that doesn't mean that's the end of the road. You can always reapply for the next one. Give us some better answers and you should be good. You know, it's not an exam. It's not a test that you have to pass. But at the same time, we want to give it to the right people. We don't want to give it to anybody who's going to squander it or not take it seriously, or, you know, all that kind of stuff. That's all that is. So I will get to the markup here shortly, guys. Give you guys a fresh outlook here. I'm marking up gold right now. Gold is bullish. Gold is bullish. We made this big drop. We have this big imbalance here. That needs to be corrected. I think we have to come back up to tap into these areas here. I guess if you look here on the 4-hour, for 1, 2, 3, 12 hours, gold was not able to break 2006 price zone. We finally did break it, and without, this was probably the retest of this area. As you can see, we tapped into this area and then pushed up. So once we break this high, guys, we should continue bullish. So I'm looking at buys on gold right now. However, we got to be flexible with the market. If the market does come back and break this low down here, we could be coming down to potentially these lows here. These lows right here. Okay. Yeah, see on the 1 hour, look at the structure on the 1 hour. High, higher, high, boom, bye-bye. So gold is looking good right now. Those of you that are just hopping on, started a little late today, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay guys, as I said, if we break below this area, I'll be looking to take some sells. And this is off of the strategy, guys. This would be TP1 right there, and TP2 is going to be Alright, so TP1 is going to be about $79 pips for TP1, and TP2 would be another 71 pips. So about 140 pip push if we drop below this area for sells, which would be insane. Not impossible for gold, but would be insane. Okay. And now for the buys, I mean, to be honest with you, I'm really seeing buys. We might come back to retest this zone here. I think this is a 1 hour support that's trying to be formed here. We wicked out. Could we come down and wick and then push? We could, but I'm really seeing buys from this area to push up and to tap up into this area right around here, right around there. I think gold is the move today. I think gold, this is a beautiful setup. Gold is sexy right now, let me tell you. Gold is giving this morning. It's giving on a Monday. It's giving. So it's gonna be nice. It's definitely gonna be a nice day today. I can feel it. I can feel it. Today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a good day. Matter of fact, I want a 20K day today. That's what I want. I want a 20K day today. 20K day. So many of you had big days last week. I would like to repeat that. I'd like to run that back if that's possible. If you guys are okay with that. If y'all are good, I'm good with that. So there's opportunity here. There's opportunity. There's momentum candles here that need to be filled. Imbalance that needs to be filled. Higher high, higher low. 4 hour supports being respected. Supports being rejected off of. Everything right now is indicating buys. Everything is indicating buys above this area. If we can hold above this area, we are going to continue pushing for buys. And this area here, 300 pip range. And then once we break above here, for the buys above this zone. So the strategy calls for buys above this area here. And TP1 would be at 2055. So let's do that there. TP1 is going to be 2055. And that is from entry to TP. It's 81 pips on TP1 and TP2. If you guys want to be savages and hold, It's gonna be for 2062. DP2. And that's gonna be another 70 pips. So 100 pip moves both ways. Gold is the play today, honey. We about to make a bag on gold. We about to make a bag on gold. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. We about to make a bag. We about to make a bag. Let me open up my MT5 real quick. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We about to make a bag. Bro, I'm so excited right now. I'm so excited because I already know what time it is. I already know what time it is. Love it, love it, love it. Yo, who's as excited as I am right now on this gold push right now, on this setup? Look at this right now. Look at this. Look at this beautiful support that's holding right here. Look at price trying to creep up in this zone right now. Let's go to a 5 minute real quick. We about to make a bag. We about to make a bag. Look at that nice rejection. Look at that whomp. Rejected bomb. We about to make a bag. I almost want to take entries, but I don't know. Let's see. Hold on. We about to make a bag. Turn that into a song. We about to make a bag. Remix. Oh yeah. We about to make a bag. We about to make a bag. What's the stop loss here? Stop loss is about 20 pips. About 20 pips. Alright. 7:52, 8 o'clock. Let's look at the 1 hour candle real quick. Alright, so 1 hour pushed down and wicked up and closed above this zone. So this area right here is where I would want price to remain above to take longs. Something like this. Cause we about to make a bag. We about to make a bag. All right. So I'm looking to take buys pretty soon here, guys. Pretty soon I'm looking to take buys. I just need stronger candle closures, confirmations here. Because we tested, pushed up. 8:30 about to hit. If I get one more pullback and this wicks out and pushes, I'm gonna be taking buys above this zone here. This is a beautiful setup. Now it may not pull back again because we got this pullback here. We have that test of this zone. Prices has already pushed away. We already pushing away. We kept tapping. We tried one last time to break. Couldn't break. Every time we pushed down, we pushed right back on up. So we might continue up here. Cause we about to make a bag. We about to make a bag. Turn that into a song. Turn that into a song. Alright, I took a small buy, guys, on gold. I'm in a small buy on gold. Wait till 8 o'clock, see if we get another pullback or something, and then we're gonna look to take the continuations on up. On up. Because this is a massive move right here. This is gonna be a massive move. Oh, my AC just turned on. It's trying to freeze me again. It's always trying to turn me into a popsicle. I don't understand it. Don't understand it. What's up here? All right. I am in gold longs right now, guys. I'm in gold buys. Okay. Okay. All right now. All right. So that's gold. Let's go to US30 real quick. Let's go to this mommy mart right here. US30. Remove drawing. Let's look at the 4 hour. US30 bullish. 30 bullish, making beautiful structure here. Guys, this week I can tell it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice because look at the setups already. Like sweet setups already. Just looking at it on the higher time frames, it's given. It's given right now. It's given, honey. It's given. Can we get the likes up, guys? Come on, guys. Be nice to me. Can we get the likes up? What's up? Guys don't like me or what? Come on. I have to go put a hoodie on because I'm cold right now. Because I can't with my AC, guys. Like, I have to keep it on where it's at. It's on 74. If I put it on 75, it's gonna be hot. It always does that. It's gonna like, so I'm either gonna freeze to death or I'm gonna be sitting here in the sauna. It's crazy. I don't know what to do anymore. It's either too hot or too cold. I don't know anymore. So I gotta either go put on a hoodie and some sweatpants or turn it down some and then crank it back when I get off here. I don't know what to do anymore. Friends come over, they're like, Charlene, it's hot in here. And I turn down, Charlene, it's cold in here. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? And then I go to sleep at night and I sleep with my ceiling fan on in my room. But then I wake up in the morning and it's cold, so I gotta bundle myself up because it's too cold to get up and turn the fan off. And I lost my remote for the fan, so now I gotta get up and go turn it off myself. And oh my God, it's a pain in the butt. So every morning I wake up freezing cold because if I don't, I'm not gonna get any sleep because it's so hot in my room. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Okay, so US30, good old US30. What's gold doing real quick? Gold is chilling right now. Okay, cool. US30. Open the blinds. I'm kind of private about my house. I don't like to have my blinds open all the time, and so yeah, I don't really open my blinds that much. Only time I open them is when I want to get some light in here for whatever reason, but for the most part I don't really open up my blinds. You know, I like to have privacy. I like to you know, I like to do things sometimes that has to remain private. So, you know, like when I walk around my house, like sometimes I'll clean my house literally in a bra and underwear. You know, I won't even have clothes on sometimes. I'll just be out, just whatever. If I'm doing laundry, if I'm whatever, you know, stuff like that, you gotta, you know, that's for your eyes only, you know? So, you just gotta keep it cool, keep it respectful, you know? And all my neighbors are men. All my neighbors are men. There's one female that walks her dog every day here, but she lives like 3 buildings over from me. Everyone else I see is all guys. I'm surrounded by guys here, so I gotta watch my back, you know? Single female, you can't be letting all your business be out there like that. 33719. All right, 33719, 33. So I'm looking for gold for US30 to remain above this area to remain bullish. If it doesn't remain above this area for buys, I'm looking for it to break here to look for the sells to continue down. And TP1 is going to be 33664. TP1 3364 33. TP1 and then TP2 is going to be 33613. 336. Okay, and then for the buys on US30, what does the strategy say? It says 34109. 3-4. Come on. I gotta go through this. Trading view get on my last nerve sometimes, let me tell you. Get on my nerves. Alright. We about to make a bag. We about to make a bag. Before it. Just give me a 30-minute real quick. Are we gonna get a pullback? Maybe not. Good, we're pulling back on gold. Very good, very good. Come on down, come on down. Let me get an entry, a sniper entry down here, and then you can go bullish. You can take off all you want. All right, now AU, which did not give me the pullback I was looking for last week. Let's see if we're gonna get it this week. So the 4 hour. So AU looks a little different from gold. Gold was pushing up here and gold was pushing up and AU has not done that yet. AU is chilling right now. So we're gonna see. Oh my God, I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go put a hoodie on because I can't with this AC right now. Hold on, guys, give me 1 second. Closing the AC vent halfway should help regulate the temperature. I'll try that, I guess. You'll have to adjust the grill on your vents. Oh. What's your stop loss on gold? Open up the blind. What's the stop loss? Can you guys see where I have my stops here? Okay. And you guys know? Or you should know. I always keep mental stops. This is not my... I just want to see price hold above this area here for the buy. I want you to see price hold above here for price to continue bullish. If we break below here, I'll be looking to get out. If I pull this all the way across, okay, makes sense? Yes? Yes? No? Maybe? Let me know. All right. I'll leave up goals since so many of you have questions about where my stop loss is while I do this markup on AU. So this is what I'm seeing for AU, guys. I'm bullish on AU as well. Bullish on AU, bullish on gold, and bullish on US30. But only if buys stay above my break for sell areas, okay? Break for sells, price needs to stay above for buys to continue for gold. Price, well, this area here, this area is still, this is iffy right here. That's why I only took a small position here just in case we pull back and come down. But if we stay above this area here, I'm looking for price to continue bullish. But if it doesn't, then it doesn't. Okay. I'm not gonna look at GU, guys. I don't want to be looking at so many pairs. I'm only gonna focus on US30, AU, and gold. That's it. Alright, so nothing on US30 right now. AU is trying to bust up here. I am in AU buys as well. I'm in AU buys and I'm in gold buys. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. All right, let's look at this chat real quick. Thank you, Jonathan. You took the words right out of my mouth. If you don't know the basics, you shouldn't be trading pips, and risk is one of the first things you should learn. Go study, then come back. Bravo. That's why some of these questions I'm just skipping over, because I'm not going to, certain stuff you just gotta know, guys, before you're on a live stream. You can't be a beginner trader watching something like this. You're gonna be so lost. You're gonna be lost. You know? It's okay to be a beginner. Everybody was once a beginner. You're gonna have questions and whatnot. Everybody wants guidance, mentorship, all that good stuff. But certain things, like, you don't want to put the cart before the horse, you know? Make sure you study enough, you have the basics down. You know, the basics are everything. You don't have the basics down, it's going to be tough. And most people don't, you know, most people don't have patience for that kind of stuff anymore. It's so beginner stuff. It's like you can find that information on your own, you know? So if you're not familiar with it, just get the basics down and then come on back. We'll welcome you with open arms. You know? That's it. Jesus Christ. You're the best trader ever? Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I want to know the playlist of this song that's just playing on repeat. Not much here. Emails are non-stop. Non-stop. People, stop paying for my Signal group. I don't have a Signal group anymore. Jesus Christ. I need to, okay. So when I get off this stream, I gotta go on all my YouTube videos and find out what video still has the link there. People keep paying for it. I don't have a Signal group anymore. Man. Come on. God, now I gotta go in here and do this all over again. This is, oh yeah. I don't have signals, guys. If you guys go watch any of my old videos or anything, I don't have signal. Do not pay for any signals from me, please. Please. I have to keep going in here and issuing refunds to people. And it's, come on. Stay updated, guys. I don't have signals anymore. That's my fault, though. I gotta stay on top of things. That's my fault. It's okay. Why do you not provide signals? Because it's too much work. It's too much work. People want you to send 50 signals every day. It's pressure. It's stressful. And it's not even worth the money. It's not even worth the money. So I don't want it. I'm good. I don't want it. So I don't have signals, guys, okay? Don't pay for any signals from Charlene FX, please. Please. I will go through all of my description boxes today, right after I end this live, and I will check to see where you guys are finding these links. And I like to ask people too, but they're like, oh, I think I saw it on a video or something. They don't even know where they saw it. But I took it off of everything I have, so I don't even know why. The link shouldn't even work anymore. I'm trying to stop it on Telegram to not let, even if people click it, for it not to work, but it's not working. People are still getting through. So I gotta take care of that. Yeah, I did. I disabled the bot. I disabled it. It is disabled. Like every time someone pays, I check it and I'm like, what is going on here? And it says it, but for some reason people still get through. And I'm just like, where are these people even coming from? Because I took the links off of everything, but for some reason it's still going through. So I don't know. I am a sucker for good morning text messages. If you want me to fall in love with you, just send me good morning text messages. And you got me right in the palm of your hand. Ooh. Yes, yes, yes. Damn, that's a lot. That's a lot. Good morning. I couldn't sleep this weekend. Too excited about joining this week. Yeah, me too. I don't think anyone's more excited than me. I don't think anybody's more excited than me. I'm like a kid at Christmas right now. I am like a kid at Christmas.
Rock bottle on the track, boy.
Oh, come on, come on, come on. I be forgetting names of songs that I like to listen to, and is this it right here? I think that's it. One of these is copyright. I don't know which one it is though. One of these is copyright. I don't know which one it is, but one of them is. Yes, we have news dropping in 2 minutes. I'm aware. News, Charlene, news. I know, guys. Small positions, small. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Oh, broke bearish. AU didn't really do much. Gold broke. All right, so buys are invalid above this area here. We're going to wait. So let me go here. Empire State Manufacturing. Sharp move down. Sharp spike in one direction. And save. There we go. So prior to this news event, Empire State was nothing. No volatility, nothing. And now we're seeing volatility in almost everything. Where's my Forex Factory? Almost every news event now we're seeing some level of volatility now. CAD news, CAD. It's crazy. News events that used to be nonsense, that used to be nothing, everything now is moving the markets. Everything is moving the markets. So if I go here, let me see. Let me look at all the events that I said had no volatility. This one, no volatile. This one, no volatility. This one, no volatility. These are all events now that I gotta redo this whole thing now. Every time a news event drops, I have to watch it, because now the market conditions change. It's not the same. Not the same as it used to be anymore. Yeah. CPI, ADP, non-farm employment, no volatility. I'm gonna have to watch for that one. Core PPI, spike. Core retail, volatile. Empire State was once no volatility, now sharp spike. Whatever this is, yeah, these are ones I gotta keep my eyes on now. So gold broke below here. Guess what? Buys are invalid now. I was looking for buy. Why did I have that line there? Why did I put that line there? Is that a zone that I wanted price to hold? So now we wait. Now we wait. Let's see. Are we gonna hold? Are we gonna break? I closed my gold, guys. Sells, and I'm about to close AU too, because AU is down. I am down 6 pips on AU. I don't know if I want to hold AU because gold melted. Gold came down. AU might do the same thing because they correlate with each other. So we shall see. Watch the 30-minute. Are we gonna come back and test this area again? I don't know. Let's see. Gold is playing? Nah, it's not. It's not playing, guys. Because remember, I was looking for the buys to continue up, but I did say that price we might get another pullback. We might get another pullback. So we'll see. We just got to be more patient. That's all. It's okay. And this news wasn't bad. It wasn't crazy. Like, it didn't do no crazy spike and wick and all this nonsense. That wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. Look at. Do you guys see anything crazy? No. If we didn't know that news just hit, we would never. You couldn't look at the chart and see that. You know what I'm saying? Nothing major happened with that. Nothing crazy. So it's good. It's all good. Remember, we're scalpers, guys. Even as a scalper, you can't freak out at certain things. The market is gonna move. Let it do its thing. When the real move is happening, that's when you be ready. You know? But if we don't buy here, and we sell, I'm gonna be surprised if we do that. I don't care if we buy or sell, but I'm gonna be surprised if we sell off some more because there is a lot of liquidity sitting here, a lot. And I'm trying to figure out when, maybe later on in the week, maybe it's too early in the week for it to push and to grab it. But there's a lot of money sitting right here. A lot. There's a lot of sellers that got their stop losses here, stop losses here, stop profit. They want to stop out these sellers. The market wants to stop them out at some point. If this thing continues to drop, that's gonna be crazy. For a Monday, that's gonna be nuts. So we'll see. I don't know. Maybe we're not gonna push. We'll see. We gotta be patient. We will see. I don't even know which one I want to watch right now. If I want to watch AU or gold. Let's watch AU for now, because gold is in a tough spot there. This is fair game. This whole area right here is fair game. Just see what price is gonna do. So it's in a tough spot right now. I would like to see it go bullish, but let's see, because everything else right now is indicating bias. Everything. High, low, higher, low, higher, higher, low, higher, high, low. Makes sense for price to go up. But if we come tumbling down here, I would be surprised. So gold is in a tough spot. Gold is in a tough spot. So we're gonna watch AU for now, because gold AU is close to my strategy for sells here, for sells to come down, for us to catch a nice move coming down here. So we're gonna watch AU for now. Charlene, can you watch both and split the screen so it shows both? No, because whenever I try it, first of all, this is the free one, so I don't even think I could do it on here. And then every time I try that feature on TradingView, it acts funny on me. It acts up. One of them doesn't do something. They're on different time frames. It just looks funny looking to me, so I just flip between tabs. It's just easier that way. So. Can you look at the weekly and tell us your thoughts on gold? No, because I'm not a swing trader. I don't really need the weekly time frame. Not to mention, we just started the week off. So, when you look at the weekly candle, it's not going to tell you too much. The week just started. It's only Monday. If you're going to look at the weekly candle as a scalper, you need to be looking at it on like a Wednesday, Thursday. Monday, you can look at it on a Monday, but all you really have is what the day has, and then you have to look at the previous week candle close to see how that one closed. You know, all we did was retest last week this low and push up. So that's why I'm still looking for the buys, because we didn't push down. We had this bullish engulfing that week. Next week pushed up, retested this break, and now we're lingering at the high of this previous week candle. So we don't really get that much data out of there unless you're swinging the moves. Those of you that keep asking the songs that I'm playing, there's an app called Shazam. Shazam, S-H-A-Z-A-A-M. Download that app and use it to find out which songs I'm playing. I'm not gonna keep announcing what each song is. Just use that app and it'll tell you exactly what the name of the song is and the artist and all that stuff. How do you know when news is dropping? That's a beginner question. You need to learn about a website called forexfactory.com, myfxbook.com. Learn about websites that have Forex news on them. Okay, that's a beginner question. Nothing wrong with that, but if you don't know about news, I hope you're not trading. I'm trying to think, was I taught news off rip when I started learning? Because I was with IML, so I don't even remember if I was taught about news. I don't think I was, but I'm trying to think. I can't remember. I can't remember if I was taught about news when I first started trading. I'm drawing a blank right now. Oh, I did not notice that. Oh, we have a supply up here. Oh, I didn't notice that supply. That's my bad. If I get a break below this area and a candle closure below, I'll be looking to take sells on AU. Okay, okay. Uh, 8:45. It would be nice if we can get if 9 o'clock would hit and the candle would close below here at 9 o'clock. That would be great if it does that. That would mean we would have a 1 hour closure below that zone. Ooh. Ooh. I'm sleepy. So I took a small loss on sells on golden AU. Did not push up. So now it looks like the sells are going to play out. If we get a break below this area. If it doesn't, if the candle does not close here, guys, I'm not taking a sell. So don't take sells right when you see it break. Wait for your candle closures, please. If nothing else, wait for that. We got a lot of chatty patties in the chat today. Gold is this. AU is this. Gonna go down to this number. This, that. Bearish rectangle. You guys. Oof. Lots of chatty patties. AU fib retracement on the daily. Don't even trade right now after news, LOL. Okay. God ain't gold London session 97. Big drop last week. Let us mix our knowledge to get more juice on the market. Okay, sure. Trading is not easy. It is not. It is not. It's fun to guess. Depends on how you look at it, I guess. Definitely depends on how you look at it. It's fun to guess. I like the positivity around it, the positive attitudes around it. I do like that. 964 viewers, 396 likes. Cool. What's gold doing? Gold is chilling up here right now. I don't know what gold wants to do right now. God, I don't miss those pop-ups. We going down or are we going up? What are we doing now? Because you look like you wanted to go up, holding a support here. And then you came down on us. So what we gonna do? And then US30 is just napping right now. US30 is taking a baby nap right now. Why is this dirty? Let's wipe this down. Oh, I forgot to text him back. Ouch. What happens when you don't put stuff in your phone to remind you? Tomorrow, 7 no, 11:30. All right. I need AU to just drop right now. That'd be great. Just need it to drop so I can get on with my day. US30 making a run, is it? Where exactly is it making a run at? Did I miss something? Where was AU making a run? US30 making a run for a buy side liquidity and selling off. Oh. Okay. Okay. Sure thing. Gold. How much did gold drop from this area? She came down, oh, 74 pips, wow. And it broke this one. What time frame is this, 30 minute? Yeah, it broke that time frame. Came down a little. Oh yeah, eesh. So it was at a high, came down. It still hasn't broken, but it still could come down though. Ugh. The market setups are clean, guys, but the volume just ain't there right now. There's just not enough volume. It's 9 o'clock. Like, come on already. You know what I'm saying? Like, just push. Give us something here. I mean, this was a nice drop here, but it's dropped and then it just stopped. We're only 5 minutes into an hour candle, but it's always like, it was up here. Gold was sitting up here, right? And then in the last, what, 10, 15 minutes, 30 minutes of the candle, it started coming down. So, I don't know. I just need the volume to kick up right now. What are you doing, AU? Come on. AU's consolidating? Not quite. I mean, not really. there's still room for it to come down. It's just I need some volume right now. It's just moving. It's a slow pair. It's a slow pair, but sometimes it's too slow. Like, you can be slow, but be slow Asian or the end of New York or something. You know, when we're smack in the middle of the session, it's really frustrating when you're like, you know what I'm saying? Because the scalpers, we're like this, you know? You want to see it pumping. Let's go, let's go, you know? And then when it's just chilling, it's like putting you to sleep, you know? So, pain in the butt. As a scalper, how many trade max would you advise to take? 1 to 2. That's all you need. 1 to 2. That's it. One to two. Bro, we had a gas shortage here in South Florida. People, gas station lines were wrapped around blocks because all that rain we got, all that flooding we got, all the trucks couldn't get through. They couldn't get out to get the fuel out to the gas stations. People were lined up, man. I was like, thank God I filled up before, because GVP paired the schizo. That's the funniest thing I heard all day. GVP paired the schizo. Oh, it's funny. Yeah, we had all that rain, all that flooding. Roads were flooded, airports were flooded. Schools were closed. It was bad. So the fuel tankers, they couldn't get through. They couldn't get the fuel out on time, and they ran out of fuel. Gas stations were on E. Forget your car. The gas station was on E. Crazy. But it'll go back to normal soon because the weather's, you know, it's nice again. So we needed some rain, but not all that rain. We needed some rain, but not all that rain. That was OD. That was OD. When you see lakes and rivers are flooded, are overflowing everywhere, that's not a good sign. Some people's houses got water in it. People's cars were totaled. People were breaking into cars and stuff. Like, I mean, it was bad. It was bad. The buses were stopped. I mean, you couldn't go nowhere. Stores were closed. It was bad. You know, and water damage is expensive and it's bad. It's like irreversible sometimes. You know, your car gets flooded or something. That's it. That's it. There's no let's take it to the mechanic and see what they can do. It's a loss. Call your insurance company and go start looking for another car. You know, it was bad. But the thing is, though, we don't have it that bad because I watched some catastrophes that happened in other places. You know, there was an earthquake. Where was that last earthquake at? What country was that in? Not too long ago, there was an earthquake. Oh man, I forget where it was at, but they had like families, babies trapped, can't get out. You know, I think somewhere in Mississippi they had tornadoes that just ripped off roofs off houses, and that's bad. You know, you get a little water in your living room, but when you get the roof ripped off your house, that just hits different. Turkey, yeah, Turkey. And that was sad, you know, buildings and stuff collapse and people passing away. And so if we're gonna complain about some rain, we got it good, because some people have it way worse. You know, so count your blessings, guys. Count your blessings, because you think your problems are bad. I think I saw a quote once that said, like, when you think your problems are bad and your issues or whatever, your stresses, like if everybody threw all their problems in a pile, you would run and take yours back when you saw all the other stuff people were dealing with, you know? So I was like, listen, we got rain. It sucks for a while, but at the end of the day, it could be worse. It could always be worse, you know? Count your blessings, guys. I'm counting my blessings for not living in Florida. Yeah. We want everybody to go back. All those people that moved here from New York, from Texas, from California, y'all go back, please. Y'all done ran up house prices. Y'all ran up rents. I mean, listen, just go back. It was nice having you, but listen, we'll even help you pack. We'll help you pack. Please go back. Please. Y'all done came down to Florida and messed it all up for everybody. We down here paying $3,000 a month rents, and it's crazy. It's crazy. You know, state income tax and all this other stuff, it's nice, but it hits different, trust me. Go back home. Go back where you came from. Leave us be, please. Leave us be. Like Amistad said, keep us free. Keep us free. Market's moving slow today. Yeah, super slow. Slow Monday. Same in North Carolina. They moving in and driving the price up. The people are moving to North Carolina. What's in North Carolina? At least we got sunshine and beaches out here. What y'all got out there? I mean, I used to live in North Carolina. It ain't all that. But then again, I lived on a military base, so that's different. I wasn't on the, you know, the real outskirts and all that over there. So same here in Nashville. We're getting 100 people a day moving here. We're full now. Go home. I did hear that too. Yeah, people are moving to Tennessee. Yeah, I did hear that too. Canada is even worse. It's here in Washington. Rent is ridiculous. I guess it's nationwide then. Maybe it's not just an isolated issue. Maybe it's everywhere that this is happening. And I'm just sitting here wondering, like, these high rents, like, if you're gonna raise the rent, raise people's pay too. Raise people's paychecks. You know, how are people supposed to live? How are you supposed to live? People have families, you know, everything else is going up except our paychecks. Like, that's crazy. Sometimes I wonder, I look around and I'm like, man, how are people making it? How are people surviving right now? Because it's so hard. It's so hard. Everything is so high. I went to the store the other day. Guys, garbage bags. You know, the Glad garbage bags that has like 35, 40 bags in it? It was $11, almost $12 plus tax. I couldn't believe it. I was like, what? $12 for some garbage bags? I couldn't believe it. I was just like, man, I don't know. Butter is like $4. Eggs is like $8. Like, what? I couldn't believe it. It's insane. It is insane. Insane. I don't know how people are surviving. Some garbage bags, y'all. $12 for some garbage bags? You gotta be kidding me right now. You're gonna tell me Glad's prices went up so high that they gotta pass the cost on over to their consumers to where we're getting hit across the head like that. That's nuts. That's nuts. I'm telling y'all, the rich get richer and the poor just get poorer. That wealth gap is just widening and widening and widening. Pretty soon, we're not gonna have a middle class. It's gonna be rich or poor. That's what it's gonna be. You pick what side you want to be on. You just have to pick. Either you're rich or you're poor. No middle class. I think that's what they're trying to do. I think they're trying to wipe out the middle class. I don't get it. Because it's enough for everybody. There's enough out there for everybody. You don't have to be greedy. These companies make enough money. These people make enough money. They do not have to gouge us the way they do. And that's nothing but greed. Nothing but greed. I get my trash bags from work. Where do you work at? You got the plug? Hey, hook us up. Hook us up with some garbage bags. Hook us up with some garbage bags, please. Imagine feeling that way and you have more money than a lot of people. It's crazy. That's why mental illness is out of hand. Yeah. Mental illness has a lot to do with circumstances. You know, it's terrible. I like watching financial movies. So I like The Big Short, Wolf of Wall Street, Margin Call. I love all those movies, right? And in Wall Street, is it Wall Street? I think it wasn't, because there's Wall Street, there's part 1 and then part 2. There's Wall Street and then there's Wall Street Money Never Sleeps. I think it was in part 1 where he's trying to, the guy, I forgot his name, the main character, he's trying to sell the condo that he bought. And the guy's like, I don't care, just sell it. I don't want it anymore. Da 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 da. And the lady's like, it's a bear market out there. Everyone's complaining. Things are so high. She goes, even the rich are complaining. And I just busted out laughing because it was so funny to me that she said that. Like, even the rich are complaining. So even rich people right now are going through it. Like, imagine all the other people that aren't as wealthy and don't have as many assets and stuff like that, you know? And that line is so funny to me when she says that. She's like, even the rich are complaining, you know? So when you're rich and you're complaining about things being high, it's like, it's bad. It's bad. It really is. It's bad. It's more sad than it is bad. It really is, you know? So I thought that was so funny though. And her accent in the movie is funny. They put her in part 2 too. They had to put her because she was a classic. She only had a short role in there, but she was cool. So, but yeah, you guys want to learn about economics and all that good stuff, guys, you guys should really watch those movies, because even though they're just movies and they're obviously, you know, fiction, they do give you a lot of insight on what really goes on behind the scenes in the financial markets. You know, the big recession we had in 2008, you know, the whole Bernie Madoff situation, you know, all those things, they play a role. They all play a role. You know, the banks getting bailed out, the mortgage situation, you know, people falling back, wealth transfer. You know, every time there's a big wealth transfer, it affects everybody, believe it or not. You know, money doesn't just disappear, guys. Money doesn't disappear. If you, quote unquote, lose money somewhere, you lost it, but someone else made it. Someone else profited off your loss. You know what I'm saying? Money is not an intangible object. It's not an energy. It's not, you know, something it's transferred. It's always transferred. There's always a trail somewhere, somehow, you know? So, educate yourselves, guys. Educate, even if it's just watching movies, watching documentaries, Netflix documentaries. You know, I'm into all that stuff. I'm into all of it. I love all that stuff. You know, it's good to be in the know. You know, don't just walk around life and be oblivious to things around you and just fall for things and just, you know, conform to what they want you to conform to. You know, think for yourself. Ask questions to things, question things, you know, read between the lines on things, try to really understand what's happening. You know, the whole pandemic, I call it a scamdemic. You know, that was, a lot of that stuff is planned, guys. A lot of that stuff is about profits. It's about money. It's about control. It's about instilling fear in the masses. It's about propaganda. It's about politics. We live in a messed up world, let me tell you. There's some good in the world, but a lot of it is messed up. It really is. You know, but I won't get into all that anyway. We're just waiting on AU to move here. AU keeps teasing us, acting like it wants to come down and pushing up and coming down. I don't know what AU got going on here today. So we just gotta be patient. Hi Charlene, can you explain why you shorted AU? I missed out on that. Well, I was looking for buys. Originally, I was in buys. The buys did not play out. We had this big drop here. Per the strategy that I'm using now, it's saying if we break below this area, we can look for the sells to continue, which makes sense because we have a major support that was holding here. Price kept trying to push. We tried to push here. I thought this was going to be the actual push. Did not come. We had a little bit of news, and news pushed the market down a little bit, and we're lingering inside this area here. So what price does here is going to be important, because if we can break below this area, then we can continue looking for the sells. But if price continues to linger above this area, then obviously, we are potentially going to be ranging inside this big box right here. Either we're going to push up above this box to push up or push down. Either way we go, we need to break this area to look for the buys. If it doesn't break, we need to look for sells below here. Inside this area it's like a no man's land. There's nothing going on here. You know, you can take a buy, you can take a sell, but you don't know if price is going to break up or break down. You know what I mean? So right now, I'm just betting on the fact that we don't have enough volume to push price. It would be nice if price could flip bearish and come down, smack TP1, TP2, and we have a good day. That's what I'm looking for here. I already have 2 losses on the day. I took a small buy on gold and a small buy on AU. Both of them sold off. I'm in sells currently. If the sells do not play out for me, I will be done for the day. I'm not looking for any more setups today. So we will see. Right now, gold is not doing anything. I'm not looking for anything on gold right now unless we break here for sells or we break above this area for the buy. Inside here, I'm not really looking for a setup. I'm only betting on AU right now that we come down for the sells. But if I take a loss on AU here, that's going to be it for me today. I'm not taking any more setups. That's going to be it for this Monday. Right now, I'm in, how many pips drawdown? 4 pips drawdown. 4 pips on one position and about 6 pips on the other. So not too bad. But if I lose this trade and it goes up and it pushes up in this area here, it could still come down. But either way, I'm not going to stick around for that. I'm just going to call it a day after that. I'm not going to get greedy and start revenge trading and all that. Just got to be patient with it. Do. Oh, oopsie daisy, where's the, here we go. There it is. There's that question. How long you been trading? There it is. I knew at some point somebody was going to ask it. Every day, guys. We get that question every day. Every day. What made you put stop loss there on AU? Most people put it above the previous high. Is that part of the new strategy? The new strategy calls for stop loss to be up here. I put my stop loss where what I'm willing to risk on my trade. Your stop loss is supposed to be based on what you're willing to risk. Okay? So that's why my stop loss is here. Am I going to hold it to here? Probably not. I might close it before there. I might close it after there. Always remember, guys, my stop losses are always mental. This is a general area of where I want to see price stay below, but it depends on what I'm seeing. It depends on what I'm seeing. Okay. Your stop loss is usually always based on your highs and lows, but we all trade how we want to trade. I trade how I want to trade. So my stop loss is going to be where I'm comfortable with taking risk. How much risk? How much of a loss am I willing to take on this? It may not be up here. It could be up here. Could be up here. Could be down here. Could be wherever. You get me? It looks like AU tried to break here twice. We're pushing up here. I might close out, man. I might close out and only look to re-enter if price breaks below these lows. Because I don't like that it's breaking these highs right now. It's breaking 5-minute highs. All right, I closed my AU, guys. I'm out. I'm not willing to hold it all the way up here. I'm more than likely done for the day because that's 3 losses for me today. I'm more than likely done. I don't like that price is pushing up against me like this. It broke this high here. This one pushed and it wicked out. I'm like, all right, we wicked out. But the next candle pushed up and it's sitting above this area here. So right now, price is above my area that I said I wanted it to break for the sell. So I held it for a little bit up here and I'm like, nah, I'm not comfortable with it. I'm gonna get out. I'm not gonna gamble it and say, oh, hopefully it goes back down. No, because if this thing continues flying here, I'm gonna be mad at myself. So this was the area I wanted to see price hold below for the sells. It broke above and it hasn't broke back down. So I'm not taking that risk again. So I am out of AU sells. I am out. So no go for today. Crappy Monday for today volume wise. This song is depressing. I don't want to hear this right now. This song is depressing. I am out of AU, guys. I'm not holding it. What a Monday, man. Trying to go for 20K and I end up losing 3K for the day. It is what it is. You're the first person to show live trading with a loss. That is incorrect. That is incorrect. There are plenty of women that do live trading and that take losses. You should have watched for a break of the whole number. It's acting as resistance. I shouldn't have waited for anything. I trade my own style. If that's what you want to wait for, you're more than welcome to, but we all trade our own way. So you can't say I should have waited on this, or I should have waited on that. I gotta trade how I trade, guys. This is what I trade. Thanks for your time. Once again, I tip my hat to your transparency. It takes a lot to trade live. True inspiration. You're welcome. You're welcome. It does take a lot to trade live. It does. What are the best days for you in the week generally? I don't really have any best days. I don't really have any best days in the week. Thanks for the session. A lot of lessons today. You're welcome. What's your capital? What's your capital? Sometimes we win, other days we learn. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta kick some people out of the chat here for making some slick comments here, so let's go. What's gold doing? Where is couple people getting booted here, guys. Some of y'all woke up and chose violence this morning, you know? Guy said, up. As soon as you woke up and your feet touch the floor, you're gonna say, I'm gonna get on Charlene FX's live stream and I'm just gonna start talking some mess. She's been nice lately. We gotta rattle her feathers a little bit. So how can we do that? I know. I'll come in there and say some slick stuff in there. Knock her off her game. No, no, no. Get him out of here. Yes, yes. Because you know what that's going to do? It's going to force them to behave themselves, right? Because when they get kicked off, they can't come back. My channel will not appear to them. They're not going to be able to. So you know what they're going to do? They're going to get another account, sign up for another thing, and they're going to come back. And they're either going to behave themselves when they come back, because they will come back, or they're going to come back and say something else slick and they're going to get kicked out again. That's just what it's going to be. I got time. I got plenty of time on my hands to kick people out. I got time. So instead of addressing those comments, I just kick you out. That's it. Just kick you out. Welcome to the block party. Facts. 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 And I don't discriminate. Everybody can get blocked. You, your grandmother, your grandson, your cousin, on your mom's side, everybody getting booted. Everybody getting blocked. It's a block party. Let's go. Funny thing is, they're gonna come back. They're gonna come back because why? They don't like me, but at the same time, they want to make money. They want to get the knowledge, but they don't like me still. You know what I'm saying? So guess what? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep it positive, keep it fun. We're gonna have good conversations. We're gonna laugh. We're gonna make money. We're gonna have a good time in there. And anyone that goes against that is just gonna have to exit stage left. That's it. You dig? You feel me? How else can I say it? How else can I put it? Comprende? Escúchame? You get it? I'm hungry. Need some breakfast. FX Summit this year should be lit. Yeah, should be cool. It should be good. I'm expecting a bigger turnout than last year, so it should be good. Hating is weird. It is. But your haters they watch you the closest than anybody else. They don't like you, but they can't turn away. Can't change the channel. You know, they gotta watch. I don't get why people chose violence and you helping them with all the knowledge is life-changing. Not, yeah. I don't get it. I don't get it. Cousins and grandmas though, yeah, everybody can get the smoke. Everybody getting the smoke. Take no prisoners. Just got funded 200K with a prop firm. Congratulations, Supreme K. Hey, you guys drop this Supreme K and congratulations. Just got funded with 200 bands. Let's go. Let's go. Friendly fire. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Congrats. 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 Are you a part of the FIP crew? I am not. No. For all the haters, just know that 10x people who love you and appreciate all you do. I love you guys back. Wendy, love you, girl. Keyboard gangsters, yeah. Congrats, yes, yes. Give them some love. Give them some love. It is not easy passing these prop accounts, guys. And a 200K, that is epic right there. That's epic. Congrats. Major congrats. Congrats. Let's go. Yeah, gold might continue bearish, but it's just no volume right now, guys. Ain't no volume. AU is pumping the opposite way. The nerve of AU right now. The nerve. Just tried and tried. It might. The sells. Okay. So remember, was it last week or the week prior to that? I think it was that I was talking to you guys about. I have this like mental block, right? Whenever I take a trade for one bias and I'm looking for that directional trade and it doesn't work out, I'm like, all right, I'm done for the day. And the trade usually flies the opposite way. So that's what I'm still dealing with right now. So I already took 3 losses on the day, right? 1 loss on gold, 2 losses on AU. Per my rules, per my trading plan, that's it. I need to be done for the day. That's it. If this thing flies, I'm gonna have to take that L. I'm gonna have to take that L because I'm down 3K on the day, and do I want to look for another potential opportunity and risk losing even more? I'm not ready for that yet. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. So if this thing flies and goes bullish, I'm gonna have to catch it tomorrow. Catch another setup tomorrow. Maybe if I didn't take this first buy here, where was it? Where did I take that first buy? Around whatever, this area here. Maybe I would have had another opportunity because I would have been 1 loss on AU. But because I did, yeah, and I'm gonna be a low-key agitated at that because it's like, man, you know, I'm trying to get over that hump and it's just not ready yet. Just not ready. So I don't know, we'll see. So I feel like I want to get off the live at 10 and then at 10:30 watch a big move happen and we miss it. I don't know. Sorry, guys. I'm not taking any more trades today, guys. I thought you were done for today. Some of y'all don't listen too well. Didn't I say I'm not in this trade, guys? Did some of you guys hear me say that? I think I did say that. Because I put this on here doesn't mean I'm in the trade. I never said that. I said I'm not in the trade as I was putting it on the screen. Ugh. Coño. Come on. I do not feel like going to the gym later, but I have to. Gym was empty yesterday. People don't go work out on Sundays. Which is nice because you get to find machines. So. When can we expect application approvals via email? Ugh. When did you apply? Because they went out already. If you applied Friday and Saturday and you were accepted, they went out already. So if you didn't receive a acceptance email, that means you weren't accepted because whatever responses you put on the application did not meet our criteria. So you can apply next time. And if you feel there was an issue or something happened or whatever, just shoot me a message on Instagram and we can talk about it. But until then, all the acceptance emails have gone out. Ooh. What is that? Ooh, that looks so good. Yes, sir. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. I did not re-enter for sells, guys, because I already took 3 losses on the day. I'm not taking any more trades for the day. That's it for me. The trade is playing out, but I didn't trust it above this area. It broke back below. It's about to come down to TP1. I'm cool with today. I'm not taking no more trades. That's just what happens sometimes, guys. The market plays with you. Like, it plays with your emotions. You know what I'm saying? We were looking for the buys initially. It didn't play out. The sells. Price came down. Here, pushed up. We waited. Pushed down again. Pushed up again. Pushed up higher than before. Into the supply area. Pushed down. Look how long it took this to play out. We entered this trade at 8:45, right before 9 o'clock. And it's about 10 o'clock, so it's about an hour for this trade to play out. Like, this move right here is what I was looking for over here. I wasn't looking for all this nonsense. I was wanting this move here to be happening here, at the very least right here. It played around 3 times before it actually came down. You know what I'm saying? That buys that I took earlier were just too early. If I didn't take that buy, and I maybe would have took this sell, I would have probably held, maybe, because I wouldn't have had that first loss lingering on my mind. But now this move is playing out here. It's not my day. I just got to be more patient. That's it. That's it. But I got to follow my plan. I have a trading plan. I got to follow it. It's what it is. Strategy played out. It just didn't work it didn't work out in my benefit. Because there's still a level of human element in there. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. I'm not tripping. Once this trade hits take profit 1, I'm going to end the stream, and that's going to be it for today. And we'll come back tomorrow. I am hungry. And I hate working out when I'm hungry. I hate it. Because I not be wanting to work out to get over with so I can hurry up and go get something to eat. So I'll be rushing my workouts and stuff. Man. I'm not even a breakfast person. I don't even care for breakfast like that. But lately, I've been hungry in the morning. I don't know. Oh. Is 3 trades per day your max win or lose? It's my max loss. Max win? Depends. Because remember, guys, I use heavy lot sizes on my trades. So usually when I win 1 trade, I'm good for the day. You know, if I'm bagging 5, 6, 7K on a trade, I don't need to take any more trades for the day. You know what I mean? So I'm not greedy. So it all depends. If I'm going heavy and I'm looking to really like flip an account or, you know, smash trades for a week or something like that, it depends. But for now, I'm just chilling, you know. I'm not greedy. Are there any more positions left? Yeah, there's 5 spots left. Shaquille, you keep asking about it. There's 5 spots left, bro. If you applied and you didn't get picked, you didn't get an email, check your spam. Make sure it's not in there. Okay? And I'm looking at your name right now. I don't recall getting any application from any Shaquille. So if you're interested in it, apply. And if you get a response email, an acceptance email, then you got accepted. It's $2,500. The course is next week. It's Friday. It's on Saturday and Sunday next week. And you have to pay now. You have to pay within 24 hours of getting the email to secure your spot. Because if you don't, then you don't get it. Some people got accepted, but they took too long to respond. So they lost their spot. Somebody else took it. After these 5 spots are filled, that's it. We're closing. We're closing it, and you gotta wait until the next one is announced. So I'm gonna end the stream soon, right, guys? I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna come back home from the gym, and I'm gonna see AU down here. Guaranteed. I'm gonna see it down here somewhere. It's sitting up here doing nothing. As soon as you take your eyes off it, it wants to move. That's crazy. I'm gonna come back from the gym, and it's gonna melt all the way down to the depths of hell. But when I'm sitting here looking at paint dry, it doesn't want to do anything. Crazy. Yes, I'm Haitian. Thanks for sharing your discipline. You're welcome. Yeah, discipline is tough, guys. It's tough, but you gotta stick with it. Live to trade another day. That's what it's about. Live to trade another day. Markets ain't going no place. They'll be right here tomorrow. Ah, come on. Should we reapply if we received acceptance on the 14th but ready to join? Email was in spam folder. No, just respond to the email. Don't reapply again. Just respond to the email. Are we going to sell gold? I guess it's going to try to sell here. We have broken. Let's see. Gold is going to come down to TP1. TP1 I think was what, 70 or so pips? Yeah, 70 pips. Now, if you guys are taking this trade, you want to wait for this candle to close. Okay, there's 2 minutes left. If you get a closure here, you can be okay to take a sell for potential sells to come down here. I put my stop loss somewhere in this area here, right around this area here. Something like that, which is about a 56 pip stop. But wait for this candle to close below here. It's 10:18, 2 minutes, 10:20. Especially if you get a 30-minute close down here, that's even better, because the next candle can come down. But you always want to wait for candles to close below certain zones before you enter, guys. All right. Candle closures will save you a lot of headache. See how many times price tapped this zone and pushed? Came all the way here and tapped and pushed up. Came down, tapped. This one broke and then pushed up. This zone is proving to be a hard zone to break. So if a candle can break below that zone and close below where all these other candles couldn't do it, that is very telling. Very telling. That's why you want to wait for your candle closures as that confirmation, confluence. Next candle, boom. You should be good. Same thing for this AU setup. We waited for the candle to close, pushed up on us. Close, pushed up. Finally closed, finally pushed down. Look how deep this one came down before it closed. And then the next one pushed up, testing this candle. And then next one broke and continues down. This should continue down here. This should continue down. It can be so nerve-wracking sometimes to let those candles close, because you feel like you see it moving. You're like, oh my God, it's gonna go without me. What am I gonna do? But sometimes it will go without you. But you're better off waiting on the candle to close. Promise you. Even if you miss the move, another one is right around the corner. Promise you. How do I become so good at entries? Get my course. Teach you exactly how to get entries. I'm hungry and I'm sleepy. I don't know which is worse. Gold is starting to look funky for a deep retracement. I don't know. Why? Because it tapped this area here? I don't know. Do you trade the 1 minute time frame? Nope. Nope. I want to see what happens when you kick somebody out. Do they just immediately get blocked, or I gotta try that and see what happens. Oh my god, you guys, this is nothing, man. No volume at all. Just wake up already. These pairs must have had a lit weekend and they are all hungover. That's what happens. The market's just like, hey, we had off this weekend. We was taking tequila shots. We was all partying, enjoying the money we made off losses. And they're not trying to do nothing today. They all called out sick today. All these pairs called out sick today. US30 called out sick. AU's on its way in, but it's late. Gold is in the shower right now. That's what's happening to me right now. That's what's happening. I am new here. Welcome. I'm not yawning because I'm bored, guys. I'm yawning because I'm kind of tired. That's all. And I yawn when I'm cold. I'm not cold right now, but I am tired. So don't think you guys are boring me. You're not boring me. This market, the way it's moving, is boring right now. The way this market is moving is boring me, but you guys aren't boring me. Are you anemic? I might be. I don't know. I might be. Not sure. Might take a nap before I head to the gym, though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Take a nap before that. I went to bed super late last night. I woke up late today, and I'm still tired. Do I take pre-workout? No, I don't. No. All right, guys, I'm super sleepy right now. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Bumpy day today, but tomorrow is a new day. All right, guys, that's it for today. Good talks, good session today. I will see you guys mañana. All right, you guys be good. Don't overtrade today, guys. Don't go crazy. Stick to your discipline, stick to your rules. If you won, congratulations. If you learned something, that's great as well. All right, guys. No analysis for these pairs. I don't know what's happening this week in terms of volume. I don't know if the volume is going to come later. Either way, I won't be on the charts. All right, guys. We'll see if AU can hit one of these TPs later on this day. And gold is looking like it wants to break. Let's see if gold is going to give something too. But either way, I am out of the markets for the day. And that's that. All right, guys. So thank you guys always for being on with me today. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Same time, same place, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Y'all be good. And as always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX. And I'm out.